On the side, this is a little side option here where you can go through and kind of click into it. Here, there's a little indicator button, and you can pop it open and you can charge and you can put in an SD card here. So if you ever want to charge up your GoPro, specifically your GoPro Hero for this particular tutorial, it's very, very easy. All you're going to have to do is grab your charging cable, your charging cord like this, and then all you have to do is flip over your GoPro off to the side and flip open the charger port. So again, you click over, open this indicator, and the charging port will basically show itself. So then what you can do is you can basically just plug this particular charging port right over here, and then you should be able to go through and start charging up your GoPro. Whenever you're ready, you can just kind of uncharge it this way and plug it out, and then you'll be able to use it this way.